Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change numbering in publisher footer. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to change the numbering list in this publisher footer. Firstly, click the paste, then press enter to go to the number list on the footer. Then select the text and go to the numbering option, then choose and change the numbering style. Now I select the Roman. Now you can see we change the numbering in this publisher footer very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.